we're digging the French drain right now with the tractor. So all this piping will be over here in the ground. Let me show you what we did with the bathroom. We sealed it. So that way it's going to take 7 days to actually start showering in it, but it looks way better with the sealant. It makes it look nice and shiny. Check this out. But we had to fill each little nook and cranny. And then I finally got the plug-in for my toilet. And we got the compost working right now. And then let this dry, and then it'll be a fully functioning tiny home.
You're the man.
We just got the gravel all filled, as you see in the previous clip. And we made a little driveway. That way I can back up all the way right here and then plug my charger in for my Tesla.
Much more lower that's gotta go.
Oh, it's going right beside the drain?
This here, this part, this would be flush with the ground. Yeah, I just run me a piece in it, lengthwise.
So just got done filling the rest up with gravel. This whole area. Put a pipe into there. And then I'll go through here, filter, and the pipe goes all the way down here. And we'll push the dirt more this way. And that's the French drain. I did a time lapse with my cell phone. So let's play that and show the whole time of us doing this entire thing. Almost filled up, and then we're going to backfill it.
Alright.
Now what are we doing? Drilling a hole? Okay. Now is it going to match? Drilling a hole and putting it in there. So here's the finished product of the French drain. We took all that dirt and backfilled her. All the gray water is going in there, and it will filter. It'll kind of filter in there. It'll have like a little bit of like food from my dishwasher, and then hair from like the shower. So that's what this is. And then maybe once a year or two, you just take that top off and clean it. And yeah, that's pretty much the final product. Thanks guys for watching. Hopefully you guys liked it. Drop a thumbs up on this video if you did, and stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to do a full-blown tour of this tiny home.